Today we're going to be finishing off the flooring and the seat bases. Let's have a look at what we got. And the reason I'm dressed as I am and I've got shit all over my face is because I'm in the middle of doing another video. This is where we are. First one is bolted in, secured. And I'll show you what I've achieved underneath. Got the spreader plates in. Change the wrong way. Right, so we've got the spreader plates in. Not perfect, but they're not the perfect positioning. So they're sealed. The plates are sealed to the bottom of the van with Sikaflex, as are the tops. And I'll give them a dusting with wax oil in a bit. So now we're onto this row. You can just make out these ones. Let's see if we've gone up any subscribers. 304, we've gone up one since yesterday. So, welcome to you. Anywho, I've just chopped this plate in half. There's going to be two more spreader plates. I'll show you how I do it underneath. I need a pen. Right, this is how I've been doing it. Hope I'm not in your way. I've been marking the centre. Doesn't really matter where the centre is on this one. Leaving my pen there, and then drawing a line. And then I'll mark that over, mark that up. That'll give me a point to drill. There. I'll drill it, and that'll act as one of my spreader plates. Fantastic. So I just broke a £500 camera. Oh well. They're drilled. I need to get rid of this surface rust and then place them up there. Look at my setup here. How much of a joke is that? Because I can't reach the middle ones. I've got to fucking jack the spanner up into position. Oh, I can't get the jack beam, the jack oh, bloody hell. The jack lever in this. I'm pumping it with a Halford screwdriver, and then to release it, I've got to put a pair of pliers that from work that have somehow ended up here, like completely accidentally, genuinely as well. Release it. Ow. And then the wood smashes you in the grid. Right there. Fantastic. I love this gig. This one next. Little fucker. Seats then. We're back on to the seats. I'm going to take you underneath and I'm going to show you the finished product. You know, my back is fucking ruined from being under it. So you can see the plates there. The 4 plates closest to the near side I've made out of 3mm galv, and these ones have been made out of 4mm mild. I've protected the inside of them, as in the bit that touches the floor of the van. I've primed them. I've sealed the plate up to the bottom of the van with Sikaflex, and then I've nut and bolted them to the floor with sealant on the inside as well. And then after that, for a good measure, I've put some wax oil on. Fuel tank's been put back up. So I suppose you want to have a look at the inside now and see what the seats look like. No idea what that accent was. So we'll have a look. Oh, by the way, RIP Prince Philip. There's one seat in. Would you like a demo? So this is how the seats go in. The 2 feet locating the floor like that. Oh. The two front feet locating the floor on these two latch things, and then should get a better set. I should prepare really. And then to release, you pull this handle like this. Lean the seats back. This is how I'm going to do it. And then you can lift them up to put them back in. You go in like that, and they click in, and these two things disappear. Now then, excuse me. To lower the seats into position, there are these two handles here. You can't fucking see them. To lower the seats, there's two handles here. You pull them, and that allows the seat to tilt till these legs locate in the floor. And then to lift the seat, there's a handle here. Pull it, bloody noises, and then lift the seat up. Click. That seat's in position. And good to go. And then lift the headrest up to block out the light. Aha! To block out the light. So that seat's in now. There is actually height adjustment in the seats. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. I'll set you up there. And I'll be able to see the adjustment. You can pull the tab, and the seat goes back further and locks into position. To pull the seat forward, there's a little push thing on the headrest. Pull that, pull the latch forward, and then flip the seat back down. And then to lift the seat up again into the upright position, there's two latch handles on the floor. Pull them, lift the seat up, and then to release the seat, a little handle here. Seat's out, two red poppers pop out, locked in place. So I'm going to leave that one like that, and I'm going to fit the other one now. Fucking give me strength, these things are fucking heavy. I don't want to scratch the fucking line up. It's going to be difficult with a bed in place. Right, that one's in. So that's both seats in the upright position. Relatively straightforward. Now, pull, lower, flip it in. Fixed. The tab's on the inside on this one. Pull the tab, lift the seat up. This one, pull the backs, go down. They are pretty bloody tight. They touch. Pull the tab, lift the seat up. Job done. Fucking fantastic. That's the underneath's not very pretty, but that's a good job if I say so myself. It's a fucking shit job though. That's a lot of work. But anyway, now when baby comes along, baby in the car seat, and a place to put baby's shit. Fucking lovely, innit? Have your drink, have your armrest. Oh, this is fucking cozy as fuck. Fancy a bit of a nap actually. I just pull my tab. Oh, there we go. Chilling. Oh, now for the shit job. Lino in the rear. Ugh. I've just laid everything out in the back, and this is what we've got. This bit needs lino. I had to raise that bit a little bit because that cupboard is going to come this way, more towards the back of the van. Finished off screwing this stuff down. I just need to give it a sweep. I need a 90mm bit for this middle bit. Then I'm going to lino this bit. Going to lino this bit. Going to lino this bit. So it's got a nice edge, and there's a couple of other little tiny little bits I need to do. Now, there's the lino. It's going to be a pig. I hate doing this. This is what the lino did to the last Stanley blade. There's a new one there. Look how battered that is. Actually cuts it into the blade. And this is what you'll see in the upcoming videos. And the exhaust. Fabbed my own one. Got the size wrong. Usually I bloody say things are bigger than they are, but I said this one was smaller than it is. Anywho, let's cut it. You get the idea. After all that work, I'm a bit parched. Just grab my drink out of my drinks holder. Put it back in. Put it in this one. I don't put it there, that blocks it. There we go. Perfect. So you fit stuff here and facing backwards if you want. Put it that way. Can go here. Nice. Right, so the flooring's in there. All the way around. I've got to get some little alley bits of trim to go around the edges, which have been made today. Picked those up this weekend. That looks good, doesn't it? That'll be down like that. Does look bloody good. And then I might have a hole in here with a hose, like an airline maybe, that I can stuff in there, or, you know, because we're going to have HP air on board. It's good, doesn't it? It's getting there, slowly but surely it's getting there. And all the seats fit with the cupboards and this bit bedding, which is a relief. But before I start talking shit, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you later. Safe.